Hey there, Rogers Motor Cars here. Today we've got a 2017 Ford F-150 Lariat. This was a trade-in Houston truck. Got this from somebody I've known for about 20 years. Bought it brand new. It's got 90,000 miles. This is a V8, a 5-liter V8, which is a good motor compared to the EcoBoost motors that have issues about right around this mileage the EcoBoost does. It's got the chrome appearance package. It's got the Lariat 501A package, tonneau cover back there. There's a little bit of a split right here in this plastic. Nice truck. The tires are like new on this one. Michelin's. We've got all the keys and books, window sticker. It's got the running boards, no sunroof. Black leather seats, navigation, rear camera, remote start. It's got the power sliding rear window. Take a quick look inside. Power windows and locks. A little bit of wear on this handle. There's no warning lights on. Always serviced regularly. It's got the heated and cooled seats. See up here, no sunroof. Seats are in very good condition. See here, there's really not a lot of wear. This piping has a little bit, but besides that, it's very nice for a 90,000 mile truck. All weather floor mats front and back. Very nice back here. These back seats really didn't get used except for maybe a backpack or something. So it's pearl white, the tri-coat, metallic color, pinstriping. Very nice truck. Give us a call, text, email. All the services on this have been done. I don't see any big dents or scratches anywhere. One of the wheels has a scuff. It's this back one. There's some curb rash on that one right there. 20-inch wheels. The rest of them look good. All right, so call us, text, email, get back to you soon. It's also a non-smoker. We can work with any bank. Cash deals are easy, out-of-state deals are easy. Can help you with transport as well. Hope to hear from you soon on this one. Thank you.